Today, we're walking around the Hans Laser factory, getting a first-hand look at their new HF mini machine. Let me tell you, it's pretty cool, especially if you're tight on space or into making prototypes. This thing is fully enclosed, so it's safe, and it's got a compact design that's going to save you on shipping and cut down on the hassle of setting it up. It's smart, too. They've managed to make it 25% smaller than usual, which means it'll fit into your space more easily, and you won't be wasting time getting it ready to go. If you're dealing with different kinds of jobs or need to switch things up quickly, this machine is up for it. Plus, it's got this open-door design on the long side that makes getting to your work a lot simpler, especially for the smaller pieces. For those just starting out or looking to keep things straightforward, there's an option to go with a single table in a few different sizes, which is pretty handy. The machine itself is quick and efficient, thanks to some solid engineering with the controller and motors, and they've put everything into one cabinet to make maintenance a lot less of a headache. If something does go sideways, they've got remote service to get you back up and running fast. And hooking it up to MES software? No problem. So, as we wrap up our tour, it's clear this piece of equipment is something special. It's designed with practicality in mind, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to boost their efficiency without needing a massive setup. If this machine sounds like it could fit into your workspace and you're keen to learn more about how it can benefit your operations, I'd say it's worth taking a closer look. If you're interested in this machine, don't hesitate to reach out and contact Fabrication America today. They'll get you all the info you need to make an informed decision.